Oh my gosh, isn't that the guy who talks about Harka Sampang? I want to speak to him. Excuse me.
Yes.
Hi.
Huh?
Are you the guy who talks about Harka Sampang?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. I wanted to ask you some few things. Are you available?
Yeah, sure.
Do you mind if I sit down?
Yeah, sure.
And I do have a camera. It is being recorded. Is that okay?
All right, sure.
Okay. So my question to you is, I don't know a lot about Harka Sampang, but I want to know, who is this guy and why do you really like him? Is he related to you?
No, he's not.
Oh, okay.
He's not.
So why is it that you like him and you support him so much?
Yeah, true. That is true. Because he is an exceptional person. Exceptional. And the way he's doing his job. So he's a mayor. Mayor
Okay.
from Nepal.
Oh,
From Nepal, yeah.
Okay.
And the city is very tiny city. It's a tiny
Okay.
city.
In Nepal?
Yeah, in Nepal.
Okay.
And he's a mayor. And he's independent. He does not belong to any party. Any party.
Is that legal in Nepal?
I mean, anybody can can be elected, right? They can
Oh,
they can
okay.
fight for they can go for the election,
Oh,
and they
okay.
can ask people to vote me, right? They
Right.
can do
Okay.
even you can do, like if you have, but you should have
Right.
citizenship of Nepal, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you have to have a citizenship. Okay.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
So what is he doing right now that you like so much? And I recently saw a video, and I don't really follow you that much, but I came to see a video where you had sent him a leaf blower from here.
A what?
A leaf blower, you know, like,
Oh yeah. Leaf blower, yeah. You know.
and that's from your own expense.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. The leaf blower actually, what is there? So there is a Nepal is, it's all about mountains and hills.
Yes.
It's more than 66% of the land is covered by the mountains and the hills. And there is one place. The place is Kokaha. 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 Yeah. So from that place, he brought water in the pipe.
Oh.
It's I think PVC pipe. So and earlier the British they went there. They did some kind of research, all like a study, and they said it is not possible. It is not doable. Even it is
gotcha.
doable, it will take years and a lot of money we have to spend. That's what they were saying.
Right.
But Harka Sampang, what he did, I think in our currency it is like a crore. We don't say like a million.
Crores, yeah, I've heard that word.
Yeah, 100, then 1,000,
Right.
then 10,000, then lakh, then crore.
Okay.
So all money, the money he spent there is 7 crore, and that money is basically people given the money.
7
It's
crores.
their contribution, their own contribution.
7 crores. That's almost 700,000 here. You think?
Say 1 million equals 10 lakh. So yes, yeah, I
So
think.
almost
yeah,
around. Okay.
yeah,
Oh, well, that's a lot of money.
it's a lot of money, but in our currency.
Right.
But if you convert to US currency, it's nothing.
Right.
It's nothing.
Okay.
It's just 700,000.
Okay.
Basically less than 700,000. Okay. And that money also, it's a contribution from the people. From the people like me.
Okay.
Okay. And the from the place you brought the water using the pipe it is up and down. Too much up and down.
Right. I've seen
So,
some few
yeah.
people follow him as well, and
Yeah.
they.
You have to go down, and there is some what is called, we call it khola, and in English what
It's almost like a river, like a little.
it's not a river. It's always a river. You see water always flowing, right? But in the khola, it's temporary. When there is a rainfall, there is a khola. So you don't see water always. So the pipe, they pull the pipe from up here to down, and then went up like that. So it is in our country, we don't use mile word. We use kilometer. It's a kilometer. It is our English is British English.
Oh, okay.
So it's 42 to 45 kilometers somewhere. I think it's somewhere 28 to 29 miles. And it's all manual work. There is no machine used.
Oh wow, hard labor.
Yeah, hard labor.
Wow.
And within I think 98 days, he brought the water. He brought
wow.
water, and every day I think it's 7 to 800 thousand liters water every single day. Every okay, and for that he got recognition from the there is one organization in Britain. So they honored him like a kind of it's a world record. He established a world record. So in our country, we are suffering from very small issues. Very small.
Right.
Very small. Not enough food, not enough water, not enough so many things. Small things. And people are fighting for that. They don't expect too many things. They are expecting some small things. And he is fulfilling all those things. And that is besides the regular job. His job is to sit in the office, write some policies, make some policies, implement those policies, right? Give orders like those. He's doing that. It is apart from that. And so it's more than 38 months now. I know it's 38 months exactly somewhere. He did not take a single leave, a single holiday for him. Not for him, not for his wife, not for his children. He has his mother. Not for anybody, not for himself. Every single day.
So he's just working non-stop.
Non-stop. And he goes bed late, wakes up early.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Do you know what time?
Somewhere I think it's 3:30 to 4 a.m. or 4:30 maximum.
Oh, he wakes up that early?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
he goes for bed maybe 11:30, somewhere 12. He says, I don't want to see the nights. He says, I wish if there is no night, so that you could be able to work 24 hours. He wants to work like 24 hours.
That's
And he's
respectable.
literally doing it. He's doing it.
Now, all the people that are with him at the moment, are they getting paid or are they just?
No, it's
working?
completely volunteers.
Oh wow,
It's
that's a lot of volunteers.
volunteerism, right? And say 38 months,
Right.
people are completely blindly following him. 38 months is not a joke. It's not a joke. And now he's in the city. Now he's working in the like a drain in the road. So his vision is we will the sub-metropolitan. Dharan is sub-metropolitan.
Right.
So his vision is the sub-metropolitan because it does not have enough money in the budget to spend. So his vision is, okay, sub-metropolitan will buy some concretes, some cements, some the iron stuffs, right? And the charcoal, I think what is it? We call it in our language, alcatra. At this moment, I'm not finding a correct word for that. The black thing, when you see in the road.
When you make roads.
Yeah, road in the road. Okay. So what he says, so the sub-metropolitan will buy that, but for the labor, labor cost is always expensive for anything.
Okay.
If you want to make home or anything you do, labor cost is the most expensive, right or wrong?
Yeah,
It's right,
that's
right?
true.
So out of 100, say for example, based on what you are making, out of 100, you may have to spend somewhere 65 to 70. Only 25 or 35 is the money that will go to the material. So that's what his vision is. He's doing, and people are doing it.
They're following the leader.
Yeah,
and
they are doing.
He's a good leader.
They also come like at 6 o'clock at the morning, 7 o'clock at the morning.
And this is from their own will. They're doing this.
Their own will. Yeah, they're doing it. And go and they will complete their job for that day.
That's very respectable.
They're like a checkout will be somewhere 5 or 6 o'clock. Sometimes they even work like till 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, based on the priority.
Oh wow.
If something has to be done in that day itself, and it will take your time up to night 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, they do it.
Oh wow.
And he's always with him, always.
That's very admirable. That's good.
And there's so many. And apart from that, the best thing I like about him is he's extraordinary teacher.
Okay.
The way he explains things for anything. You ask him what is country, he has his own definition.
Okay. He makes it simple for
Very
people
simple,
to learn.
very simple, understandable,
Oh wow. Okay.
and there is no argue that you say no. You cannot say like it's not true. The way he says, the way he speaks, and if you ask him what is how you define a people, ordinary people, so he has his own words for anything. What is a nation, right? All these things. What is a party? What is the main motto of the party? For anything. What is what is that? The border. What the border of a country? So he has his own words. And when you listen, you say, oh wow. And sometimes suddenly, out of the blue, what he says, okay? Currently, I'm telling you, currently I'm speaking with you, I'm trying to educate you as much as possible. But if you do not want to follow, why should I take a rebirth? How come the man is saying, why should I take a rebirth? Does he think he is a god? That kind of question comes into my mind, but he suddenly speaks. He said, why should I take another birth?
To prove to
As if he knows why he came, why he took birth.
why he was born. In the
Yeah,
first
why he is born, why he took birth, and if something is not completed, so he has to take another birth. That's how he speaks.
That's very
sometimes.
deep. That's okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm sure he has a lot of haters, or maybe people who talk bad about him.
That is always.
Why do you think that is? Why do you think people do not like him? Is it because of what he's doing, or
I think for me, it's a very simple. I think logic I can give you. The simple logic is, say in the entire universe, talk about anything, right? Three things always exist.
what is that?
The one is that drives, the other that stops, and the other that how I should say. Three things, you
The
know.
walks.
There is a negative,
Okay.
there is a positive, and there is a in between. Always, right? Always there is a in between. The middle one is always there, and the negative. So without negative, there is no positive.
So it's all about balance.
Yeah, balance. The universe runs in balance, right? Universe is never in balance. So if there is a positivity, so there is a negativity also. That will come. You talk about anyone, Christ, in our country, Krishna, Buddha, Ram, whoever it is, right? Whoever. So there is always.
But don't you think that they're also thinking he's doing a good job? They're just scared to say something, maybe to be people pleasers, the haters.
Nah, they know.
Oh, they know.
They know.
Okay.
He is doing extraordinary job. They know.
That nobody else has done.
Yeah.
Or has somebody ever done it in Nepal?
No, the way he is doing,
No, nobody else.
the way he is doing,
Okay.
the way he speaks,
Right.
the way he motivates people, and he doesn't have any like organization. There is no party. He doesn't have.
He's
any
doing
party.
everything.
Yeah, he's doing everything. So based on his
Power.
gods,
Uh-huh.
his gods,
Oh, okay.
right? And he speaks. He motivates people. He motivates people a lot, and he always thinks about nothing but country. Always, in every his word, always, anytime. When you listen him, he talks about country and the soil of your country. Always. So it's extraordinary. I never at this time, my age is more than 64. I never seen such kind of people. I never heard.
But do you think maybe there are some few things you may not like about him? Or are you just a big loyal person towards him? Are you
There are some, but those are very minor. And
something that doesn't get in your way?
Yeah, something. Yeah,
Okay.
so because he's trying to build a nation.
Right.
Currently, our country is extremely poor country and very far behind the other country. Very far. He's trying to balance it out. He's trying to develop, and in that sense, in that his way, his goal, he is doing the. I mean, I can say not only best, best of the best, best of the best. So
Okay.
what and I also want to see my country is developed because I also belong to my motherland is Nepal.
Oh, okay. How long
currently-
have you been here?
Well, it is now it's 18 years. It's 18. I came here 2007. It's now 18 years, and I also in my deep somewhere, right? I want so everybody wants to see their country is developed, right? Who wants to see like a underdevelopment, right? Nobody wants. So, but not a single politician was doing anything. But this person suddenly he is trying to change every single thing, and so convincingly, so convincingly. Sorry for my English. My English is not good.
No,
And
you're
actually-
doing well. You're doing good.
Yeah, and actually, I have to speak here. Now it's my now this is my country because I took citizenship from this country.
Okay.
Nepal is my motherland, right?
Right.
So I have to speak. I have to learn somehow.
Do you ever think you'll go back?
Still, I find myself uncomfortable while speaking English. Somehow I'm managing it.
Oh, you're doing perfect fine.
Yeah.
But do you think you'll go back to Nepal? Maybe help him out, if anything?
Who knows? Who knows?
Oh, so you're thinking about it.
I'm not thinking, but
If you get an opportunity, maybe?
the way he's doing, it's 30 years. I'm still watching. I'm still watching. I'm observing him. I'm trying to follow him as much as possible. And it's a 38 month now. He did not fail a single day. Every single day
Okay.
he passed. Right. Very soon there will be a party in my house
Oh, wow.
celebrating his success.
Oh, wow.
I'm
When is that?
celebrating his success. It's August 2nd.
Oh, nice. So
Yeah.
it's coming up soon.
Yeah. I'm
Nice.
celebrating his success. So I'm putting my money. For what?
From your own
To
expense.
celebrate his success.
that's-
not my
that's
success.
nice. That's respectable.
Right?
Mhm.
Yeah, and because I thought, this is the best way to convey my, what do you call it?
Conversation?
My dedication, maybe.
Loyalty towards him?
Yeah, my loyal, right? You say
Loyalty.
loyalty, right? Loyalty. Yeah, I mean this is how it is. And
That's good.
so in our country, what they say, there is a very old story. I will tell you in short. It's a very old story. So long time back, I think you also know, the wife, they used to go they used to go with their husband when the husband would die. They used to go and sit in the wooden thing. We call that chita. So they will burn in our tradition.
Oh, like fire burning.
Yeah, they will burn.
Oh,
They will burn
okay.
the body, right? So the husband, they will burn. So long time back, even the queens, they used to sit live. Right? They used to sit along with their husband and burn themselves. One is dead, the other is alive.
Oh, wow.
Right, and that tradition used, we call sati pratha, sati tradition,
Sati, okay.
sati pratha. Something happened. So one day, one sati, so she cursed the Nepalese people. So you will never be, this country will be never developed.
Oh.
Okay, it will never
Put a curse in
develop.
Nepal.
You will never get a good life. That kind of curse she gave that time. It's a long time back, like 100 years back.
You still
more than
believe in
100.
that?
People, because there is no development.
So people still
And
believe that? That's
any
okay.
politician, even the king,
Makes
whoever
sense.
is running the country, they are unable to do.
Okay.
So people always try to link because of sati, because of her curse, because of the sati's curse. People always say.
They're putting two and two
Yeah,
together.
even
Okay.
today. Yeah, even today.
Oh, okay.
So I see Harka Sampang is the person now.
Who's lifting that curse?
Yeah. he had the potential. He had the
Okay.
potential. He had the possibility. We can alter that.
Right.
You can eliminate. We can end that story.
Right, okay.
He has that kind
That's
of
great,
potentiality, and he has that possibility. Extreme.
Well, he has my vote.
Yeah. Oh, you have your vote.
But yeah, I mean, if he's a really good leader, in Nepal, and everybody is following him, then I don't see why not.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm really glad that I got to speak with you. What is your name?
Prasanna Bhattarai.
Okay, Mr.
You have
Prasanna.
to, not Prasanna.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's a Prasanna
Prasanna
Bhattarai.
Bhattarai.
Okay, but how did you? I mean, for me, it is a kind of surprising thing. You saw my video, so how that happened? How?
I actually have a family relative who usually shares videos that he likes.
Oh, okay.
And you so happen to come in one of that video.
Okay.
I don't understand much, but I did have a translate, and I was looking through it. Maybe it was 2 to 3 minutes.
All right.
And he talks about you majority of the time.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I can't tell you the name.
Okay.
But he talks about you, and I just so happened to see you, and I recognize you from your beard, and I just thought maybe you were the person. So I'm really glad I got to speak with you. I'll let him
Okay.
know as well.
Thank you
He'll be
very
excited.
much. You look pretty nice.
Thank you. Well, enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, all right.
All right, bye.